Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier allows changing the number displayed. Carriers may lock this setting. Once done, back up contacts and note the current caller ID so you can verify the change. Now navigate directly to Settings, then Phone or Calls, and locate the caller ID or Show My Caller ID option. This starts the actionable flow immediately. Don't fiddle with unrelated settings. You're preparing the phone and account, so the change will apply cleanly and can be tested right away. You now perform the central edit. Toggle the Show My Caller ID option or input the alternative number provided by your account tools. If the phone interface blocks manual edits, make the change in your carrier's app or web portal. Carriers sometimes require server-side updates. Once you submit, follow the verification prompts, typically an SMS code, email link, or account password. Make sure to complete verification, otherwise the carrier will ignore the request. This ensures the display update is authenticated and propagated to the network. You finish by saving changes and restarting the phone so it requests fresh settings from the network. This often forces the carrier to refresh your caller ID. Then make a test call from a different device and confirm the displayed number. If it still shows the old number, reset network settings and retry after a restart. If problems persist, contact carrier support and provide the verification receipt or ticket number. One key troubleshooting tip: ask the carrier to push a profile update to your SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.